Designing a small bedroom can be overwhelming and downright frustrating. But we're here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. Check out our favorite tips and tricks, and see which solutions work best for your small space. Here are the 14 tips for designing a small bedroom. Number 1. Let your ceiling make a statement. Gold polka dots draw the eye upward, elevating the appearance of the ceiling in this small bedroom. A patterned ceiling may work for you if your bedroom has sloped ceilings or an odd shape. Number 2. Opt for a hanging nightstand. If your bed fits in a tight nook, free up valuable floor space with a hanging nightstand. Take a look at these creative hanging nightstands. Number 3. Or make DIY nightstand to fit your space. Finding furniture to fit a small space can be difficult. Instead of spending hours searching for a mini nightstand, make your own with an old or unused table. Here are some great examples. Number 4. Mount your bedside lighting. If you're working with teeny tiny nightstands, or no nightstands at all, consider mounting lights or lamps to the wall. Here are some ideas you might want to try. Number 5. Install a Murphy bed. Freeing up floor space in the blink of an eye, a Murphy bed is an age-old solution for a small space. It allows you to make use of the space whenever you have visitors during daytime. Number 6. Go bright and all-white. An all-white color palette creates a fresh, bright atmosphere that helps small spaces feel larger. Mix soft creams and off-whites to add warmth. That's why these rooms look even bigger. Number 7. Or you may go bold with colors. But, if you love color, go for it. Bold hues and attention-grabbing patterns can actually help distract from the small size of a space. Number 8. Utilize every square inch of space. Under the bed storage is key in a small bedroom. Consider some of these options: wheeled boxes, drawers, locked boxes, storage bags or shoe organizers. Empty corners and vacant spaces can also be utilized as storage areas. Number 9. Add horizontal wood planks to the walls. Horizontal wood planking visually tricks the eye in this bedroom, making the room appear wider than it is. This might be the right choice for you if your room lacks architectural interest. Or if you're a fixer-upper fan, shiplap, anyone? Number 10. Or you may stripe your walls. If wood planking isn't your thing, painted or wallpapered stripes achieve the same visual effect. These striped walls are perfect for that. Number 11. Get a bedside seat table for instant workspace. If you need workspace but have no room for a desk, buy a C-shaped table that will stash your laptop and tuck underneath the bed when not in use. Number 12. Use a desk as a nightstand. Instead of cramming your space full of furniture, opt for pieces that serve multiple purposes, like this desk that also works as a nightstand. Number 13. Display accessories as decor. Let your favorite jewelry and accessories serve as decor in your bedroom, freeing up storage space elsewhere. This would really bring a much more personal look. Number 14. Reflect light with mirrors. Mirrors make a powerful visual impact in a small room by bouncing light throughout the space, instantly making it look larger. Indeed, mirrors are a big thing in decorating small spaces. May these tips help you in decorating your bedroom. We all dream of having our most comfortable stay in our cozy bedroom despite it being small. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more design tips, advice and makeover ideas. Thanks for watching.